Hi guys, good morning. Chika tayo, sandali lang ha. While I'm still having my painit. It's a light breakfast lang with my binaki. Do you know binaki guys? This is made of ground sweet corn. Ano to? Oh yeah, sweet corn. Pwede naman hindi sweet corn. Young corn, yeah. And then they put what's that, milk, and of course a little sugar, tapos they steam it. Yan ang pag-cook kasi masarap yung binaki ng mother-in-law ko. Before, when she was still alive, she used to cook binaki. So let's have binaki, and this one is turmeric guys, turmeric, walang sugar kasi heavy talaga ang mga days namin this Christmas, so we need to, recharge, take something healthy. So I just would like to share to you what happened yesterday, December 15. 'Di ba nangyari yung lindol again here in Mindanao. Ang center talaga is in Davao, 6.9 magnitude. Intensity ba yan? Intensity is something like it's just the strength of the earthquake. Ano man siguro. Anyway, kahapon we were having lunch kasi nandun kami sa Limkitkay. So let me talk while I'm eating. Nasa Limkitkay kami kasi nag-display na naman kami near Shopwise. So guys, everyone who's here in Cagayan, nag-display na naman kami ng oatmeal bar, of course, because we are still really promoting oatmeal bars. That is kahapon is our first time in Shopwise, pero nasa Limkitkay na kami twice, sa last July at saka August pala, at saka just this November. Yes, ang maganda naman ang namin doon, response ng mga tao. So kahapon we will be there 1 month, for a month near Shopwise kami. So it's good kasi yung parking space nasa basement kami kahapon kasi punong-puno na. So at least we'll just go up, malapit lang. So yun nga, kahapon we were having our sampling there kasi nag-request yung owner ng place na back up kami kasi daming tao kasi siyempre for Sunday, madaming mag-church. So, yun. Nag-lunch kami, 1 o'clock na, 1:30. Tapos, while we were having our lunch, hindi pa natapos yung lunch namin, nag-earthquake. Tapos, parang lumalakas. Tapos, nakita namin yung mga tao, nagtatakbuhan na sila. So, siyempre, usually, everyone will panic. Pero ako, tumayo talaga. Tapos sabi ko siya, Mommy, no, don't panic. Just be calm, like that, sabi ni Shane. Yun namang in front of our table also, mag-ina din sila. Yun din, yung ina din, tumayo na. Tapos sabi ng anak, Mommy, sit down. Be calm, ganun. Pero tapos, lumingon ako sa, my right side, andun yung staff ng sa SNR kasi kami ng lunch kahapon. So I look at him and ask him, saan ba ang emergency exit? Yun ang naisip ko kasi of course kung lalakas pa talaga, we have to go out na, pero something like brisk walking lang, hindi yung magtakbo kasi if you run, ang tendency is that maraming mamamatay dahil sa stampede. So yun. So we just have to walk, pero hindi natin maiwasan talaga yung mga tao magpapanik talaga. So we have to look for a place kung saan kami malapit yung hagdanan. Kaya lang near sa cinema, near kami doon, kaya lang escalator, paano kung yung mangyari sa escalator? Doon naman sa isa on our right, quite far, meron ng escalator, meron din namang hagdanan talaga. So, yun. So, we're still eating. Ako, meron pa kaming pizza na hindi ko pa natapos. Buti na lang yung salad, natapos na at saka yung chicken, pero meron pang pizza. Tapos, oh ano, anong gawin natin? Grabe na yung mga iba-iba na ng mga reaction ng mga tao. Imagine 6.9 in Davao. Dito sa Cagayan de Oro, 4 lang. Pero grabe na yung 4, no? Because I was already looking around yung mga decoration ng mga hanging, ng mga big Christmas gifts hanging at the center of the atrium, already swinging. So, siyempre, magpapanik talaga yung mga tao, no? Ang usual naman talaga yan. Of course, yung iba naman, they were already taught how to, what to do in cases of emergency like that. So, yun lang ginawa namin. Buti na lang at, when I was about to sit down, humina. Oh my God, I was really, really scared. Tapos, siyempre, yung ulo mo ba, it's something like dizzy. It took siguro an hour or two now before mawala yung dizziness ko. Natatakot talaga kami, guys. My God. I was really praying, oh God, this should not happen to us. And this morning, when I look into the Facebook account, kasi we arrived here late already kasi nag-egress kami kagabi dito sa SM Uptown. It was our last day kahapon. So after Ketkay, we dropped by, simply we got our things already to bring it home. And of course, our tables and everything that we put there in as decoration. Tapos, siyempre, kinuha na ng mga products, yung mga suppliers, kinukuha ng mga products. So, na-exchange kami doon o binigyan kami ng Wesley na something like a granola. Bumili kami ng laing. Bumili kami ng concentrated calamansi juice. At tapos, ano pa yun? Binigyan kami ng jam, mangosteen jam. Ayun, ang dami. Tapos, masaya talaga. Pero at the back of our minds, we're also, of course, afraid kung mangyayari na naman yung earthquake. Naku, hindi basta-basta. Tapos nakita ko nga this morning sa Facebook, nagtatakbon something like sa Pagpadada, sa Hagunoy, Davao. My God, nag-crack yung lupa, tapos lumalabas na daw yung tubig, natakbuhan na yung mga tao. Siyempre magpapanik as usual. Tapos may doon sa Padada, may bumagsak talaga na bahay. Tapos may mga mag-asawa yata yun. Tapos yung skull niya, na what's that? Hindi naman scrape kasi parang nabiak o para bang na-chop ng bolo, tapos na-open nga dito yung sa skull niya, tapos tinalian na lang nila ng t-shirt. Oh my God, tapos na simple nagdugo. Ay, naku. Just looking at those videos, naku, nakakatakot talaga. What if it will happen to us here? No, God, no. Please spare us. Just imagine that. And of course, nagtatakbuhan yung nasa mall. May mall doon na hindi pa napuntahan. Ay, siguro they're already doing something. So, saan sila papasok? Kasi, siyempre na, bumagsak na. So, they have to be careful also yung mga rescuers. Baka, babagsakan din sila ng, mga debris na yung mga broken. At dito din sa Cagayan de Oro kahapon, we were in Limkitkay. Tapos, ayun nga, may nagtatakbo na may from Centrio and SM Downtown, nagpuntahan sila sa Limkitkay, yung nakalabas kasi the mall was closed kasi yung sa taas nila, na something is already dropping. So, siguro nga, broken na mga glass doon sa 4th floor, gano'n. Kaya, simply may signs na gano'n na ano yung building. So, they have to go out. So, they have to close the mall, yung Century Mall at saka SM Downtown. So, imagine that, guys. My God. Kasi 4 floors, 5 floors yata yung SM Downtown at saka yung Century is 4 floors. Buti na sa Limkit kasi 2 floors lang. Kaya siguro gano'n ginawa nila. Pero, yung Deluxe Hotel is 6th floor yata yan. Kaya, naku, Kaya very important talaga yung mga engineers na dapat hindi sila mag-substandard ng mga yung mga materials ng building, because we don't know, anything can happen. Yung mga condominium na they're still constructing there in limited, kaya naku, delikado talaga, guys. So let's pray everyone for those who are victims in Davao. My God, sana makabawi sila. Of course, the government I know will help kasi taga doon si Digong. Do I know he will really help them, pero siyempre hindi ganun kadali, no? They have to put up their own houses and how to start. That's very, very, really, very, really difficult, you know. So let's pray for those who are in Davao, who are all victim. Dito, maski nandito kami sa Cagayan de Oro, naku, grabe ang takot namin, guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And of course, ring the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload ako. Guys, please pray na hindi tayo. Kasi meron kaming condemn dito. Meron daw kami sa Cagayan de Oro fault, ano ba yun? Na kung mangyari somewhere in Taguluan. So kung if mangyari yun, that's already, Taguluan is very near Cagayan de Oro. No, God, please spare us, O Lord. So sana hindi mangyayari yung kasi yung aftershock, pwede pa ding bumagsak kung weak talaga yung foundation ng bahay, ng mga buildings, babagsak yun. So guys, let's pray for Mindanao. Sana naman, spare na naman ni Lord, huwag na mangyari ito ulit. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas. Naku, Christmas pa naman. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye. I'll finish now. I wasn't able to bite yet. Bye, everyone. God bless. Take care, of course. Merry Christmas.